So, okay, in our previous class, that means already we have to completed 5 classes. In this, in those 5 classes, we have to completed completely homogeneous linear differential equations. So, in our class 6, class 6 can be discussion about non-homogeneous linear differential equations. So in this concept we have to learn the particular integral of x equal to e to the power of ax. So what is the particular integral? It is the indication with the short letters pi, that means particular integral. So particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d into e to the power of ax. So in this concept I have to discuss in 3 cases. So first case, this is in the form of f of d is either d square minus 2d plus 1 nothing but. So it has a we can be write in the factorization, that means f of d is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta, like this. So this is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta. This is the roots of given particular second order, either third order polynomial differential equations. So second case is if f of d equal to f of d is not equal to 0. If f of d is not equal to 0, when d equal to a, in case we can be solve this problem. And third case is if f of d equal to 0, when the d is a. In this third case we have to write 1 by d minus a into e to the power of ax is nothing but x by 1 factorial into e to the power of ax. In case of time, we can substitute the a value in the denominator of d minus a. If d is equal to a, the denominator is 0. That means f of d equal to 0. Then that time that value is x by 1 factorial into e to the power of ax. In case 1 by d minus a whole square e to the power of ax. In this case, we have to substitute the value of d is a. It is also a 0. Then that we can be write here x square by 2 factorial. That means here square 2 factorial into e to the power of ax. In case of time, 1 by d minus a whole cube e to the power of ax equal to, it is also a 0 denominator, numerator denominator. If d equal to a, this value is 0, then that we can write the particular integral x cube by 3 factorial e to the power of ax. These are totally a general solutions like this particular integrals. When the d value is 0, then that time f of d is equal to 0. Then that time we can be particular integral values, or we can write like this: 1 by d minus a e to the power of ax equal to x by 1 factorial e to the power of ax. In case of time, 1 by d minus a whole square into e to the power of ax. That means d minus a is 0. Then that time we can be write a particular integral x square by 2 factorial e to the power of ax. In case of, in this case, 1 by d minus a whole cube e to the power of ax. Then that time we can write a particular integral x cube by 3 factorial to the power of ax. So these 3 cases we can apply. We can find the particular integral of given function. Okay, right. Now we can be solve some problems in this concept. So this is most important concept in these differential equations. Why? పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్లో రావడానికి ఆస్కారం ఉంటుంది. సో 2 3 just 6 marks and 1 essay will be coming. So first problem can be solve 1. So here given a problem, find particular integral of find the particular find the particular integral of d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 0, like this, not equal to 0 e to the power of 2x. So in this concept we have to totally write here, not this is equal to, in our previous problems is equal to 0, but here in this linear non-homogeneous linear differential equations must be put there some f of x function. Some f of function is coming in the right side. So now we can find the particular integral of this problem. So what is the given equation here? Given equation. So given equation is ఏమి ఇచ్చారమ్మా ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to e to the power of 2x. Okay, right. This problem in the form of f of d into y equal to x. Now we can find the particular integral of given function, that means x by f of d. So this is equal to, what is the value of x here? This is the f of x function, e to the power of 2x by, what is the f of d value? d square minus 3d plus 2. This is equal, so we can substitute the d value is 2. So if d equal to 2, that value is 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2, that means 4 minus 6 plus 2 4 minus 6 plus 2. So that means in this case we have to find the factorization of d. That means so d square minus 2d minus d plus 2. Here d common, d minus 2 minus 1 common, d minus 2. That means d minus 2 is common. We will write d minus 1. Here the cofactors of d minus 2 into d minus 1. So e to the power of 2x by d minus 2 into d minus 1. This is the first case. In the first case, first of all, here given quadratic equation, it has two roots. Those two cofactors are d minus 2 into d minus 1. So this is equal to, can be substitute d value here. So if d is equal to 2, this is 0, but here 1. So e to the power of 2x by 2 minus 1 into d minus 2. If d equal to 2 minus 1, d minus 2. So this is e to the power of 2x by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1, d minus 2. So our particular integral is equal to, so look here, this is in the case of e to the power of ax by d minus a. So it is 0. At that time x by 1 factorial into e to the power of x means e to the power of 2x. This is our final answer. X into e to the power of 2x is our answer. So this is one problem of find the particular integral of given equation. So next we can solve another problem. So in this concept we have to do so many problems. After that we can gain more than marks from this concept. So I can solve another problem, that is d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. So what is the given equation here? Given equation is d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. So this is in the form of f of d into y equal to not equal to 0 here, there is no 0. 2 into e to the power of 2x, 2 into e to the power of 2x. So some x, that means particular integral is equal to x by f of d. What is the x value here? 2 into e to the power of 2x by what is the f of d? d square minus 4d plus 4. సో ఈ విధంగా ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ d వాల్యూ అనేది 2 తీసుకొని ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే ఈ f ఆఫ్ d అనేది ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వస్తుందో నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వస్తుందో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4, that means 4 minus 8 plus 4. This is also a 0. F of d equal to 0 వచ్చింది. Then that time we can find the cofactors of f of d. That means we can calculate roughly. So d square minus 2d plus 4. D common here, d minus 2 common here, d minus 2. Now it will be right d minus 2 whole square. So this is equal to 2 into e to the power of 2x by d minus 2 whole square. So in our basic concept we have to discussion about like this, that is 1 by d minus a whole square e to the power of ax is equal to nothing but x square by 2 factorial e to the power of ax. So this is general notation. Now we can be using the general notation. So this is equal to 2 into e to the power of 2x by x square by 2 factorial, x square by 2 factorial. So here 2 cancel. Our final answer is x square into e to the power of 2x. So 2 factorial, that means 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So that's why we calculate cancellation of 2. Numerator denominator cancel. Our final answer is x square e to the power of 2x. So now we can solve another problem on the particular integral of given differential equation. So what is another problem? d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to e to the power of 3x. Right, what is the given equation here? Given equation is d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to e to the power of 3x. So this is in the form of f of d into y equal to x. We want particular integral is equal to, so x by f of d. So f of d means this given equation, x means e to the power of 3x by d square minus 2d plus 1. Now then we substitute the value of d is 3. So 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus 1, that means 9 minus 6 plus 1. 9 minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to, it is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. That means f of d is not equal to 0. Then that time we can substitute the particular value of d. That means 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus 1. This is equal to e to the power of 3x by 9 minus 6 plus 1. That equal to, our final answer is e to the power of 3x by 4. E to the power of 3x by 4. This is our final answer. So next we can solve another problem of particular integrals. So another problem is so d square minus 1 into y equal to e to the power of x. So right, given equation is so what is the given equation here? D square minus 1 into y equal to e to the power of x. So this is in the form of f of d into y equal to x. We want particular integral. Particular integral is equal to x by f of d. That equal to x by d square minus 1 in d square minus 1. D square minus 1. So what is the x value here? E to the power of x by d square minus 1. This is equal to e to the power of x by, it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So as well we write here d minus 1 into d plus 1. This is equal to e to the power of x by, so d value is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Leave it. D plus 1, that means d minus 1 into 2. So our general solution is 1 by d minus 1 by d minus a into e to the power of ax is equal to x by 1 factorial into e to the power of ax. So this is basic concept. This is our basic concept. That concept will be used here. So of into x by 1 factorial into e to the power of x. So our final answer is particular integral of given general solution is equal to, so x by 2 into e to the power of x is our answer. So here d value is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, e to the power of x by d minus 1 2. ఇక్కడ మనకి బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంటే 1 by d minus a e to the power of x, d ప్లస్ లో a తీసుకున్నట్లయితే దిస్ ఈజ్ 0 అవుతుంది డినామినేటర్ x. అలాంటి సందర్భంలో కేసు ఏంటంటే x by 1 factorial e to the power of ax. సో కాబట్టి x by 1 factorial e to the power of 1x అవుతుంది. Already it is 1 by 2 is the coefficient of particular given equation. So one particular integration is equal to x by 2 e to the power of ax. This is our final answer. సో ఈ విధంగా మనకి పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ మీద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినట్లయితే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో యూస్ఫుల్ టు ఎస్ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్కి మనకి బాగా సూటబుల్గా కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ అనేవి జాగ్రత్తగా నేర్చుకున్నట్లయితే మనకు ఈ 3 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్లో 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి రావడం జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ 1 ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్ రావడం కూడా జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో కాబట్టి జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు ఈ యొక్క పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ మనం క్లాస్ 6లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి నేర్చుకుంటే మీకు ఎక్కువ మార్కులు రావడానికి ఆస్కారం ఉంటుంది. సో కాబట్టి ఈ యొక్క 4th సెమిస్టర్ పాలిటెక్నిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి యొక్క క్లాసెస్ని మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ వింటూ నేర్చుకుంటే ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ అనేది మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.